Now, here's Helen Willetts. Helen.
Hi Rita. Despite it being a bank holiday weekend, we've got some fairly decent weather on our way. We'll have some morning fog as we had this morning at Breedon on the Hill. That's in Leicestershire. We've had some sunshine. We'll see more of that as well to come. Warm and humid, increasingly humid actually, with some thundery showers around. And we'll still be stuck with some cloud, low cloud near the east coast. This was Edinburgh. And it's likely to stay quite claggy there through the rest of today, through the central lowlands. The remnants of a weather front which is gradually weakening. We've got a few showers elsewhere, but actually to the north of that weather front, still some sunshine to be found and some warmth. It is improved across Northern Ireland compared with yesterday and the northwest of England. Just a risk of a few showers here. Cooler near the coast, as I say, just because we've got some low cloud around. Warm sunshine further south, strong sunshine, but just the hint that we're going to see some big showers, even thunderstorms developing for this evening's rush hour. And I mention that because, of course, it's the bank holiday weekend, lots of people taking to the roads. There could be quite a lot of spray and standing water within those localised torrential downpours. So we'll be keeping an eye on that one, and do take note if you're travelling. It's most likely through South Wales and the southwest, but once they've got that momentum, they keep going through this evening and for a time overnight. In fact, we could see some coming into the southeast as well. But with all that cloud around and the mist and the fog returning, apart from northern Scotland, it won't be a particularly cold night. In fact, increasingly mild, really, the nights as we go through the weekend. So tomorrow, if anything, it's a slightly greater risk of some thundery showers. Again, mostly in southern and western areas, but there could be the odd one popping up Northern Ireland to western fringes of Scotland and England. Still some low cloud near the east coast after the fog clears elsewhere, but lovely and warm and an improving picture, I think, in some northeastern areas compared with recent days. Perhaps a lesser risk of showers, particularly in the south and west on Sunday, but perhaps greater towards the north and the west instead. A lot of dry, warm weather around, but notice the wind strengthening across eastern areas. So that may start to make it feel perhaps a little bit cooler in these areas, and that's what's been giving us the headache through this week. It's almost as if the weather knows it's a bank holiday weekend. But we're firming up on the details. What we do know is it will be cloudier for eastern areas on Monday and windier. We could have gales, coastal gales, really unusual for this time of year. And coming down from the north, obviously that's going to make it feel colder, but some rough conditions out at sea and the potential for some rain into eastern parts of England. But further west, some lovely weather around again. Plenty of sunshine and strong sunshine, 19 to 21 the highs. Rita.
Thank you, Helen. Well, that's all.